Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a prenuptial agreement with LegalMatch. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a prenuptial agreement with LegalMatch, start by visiting their official website. On the homepage, look for the option to begin the process of creating a legal document. Select Prenuptial Agreement from the list of document options. You will be prompted to provide some basic information about yourself and your partner. Enter your full names, addresses, and contact information accurately. Next, specify the date of your upcoming marriage. The platform will ask for details about your individual assets and liabilities. Be thorough in disclosing all financial information for both parties. After providing these details, review the questions regarding your preferences for the agreement. Consider aspects like property division and financial support in the event of a divorce. Once you've answered all the questions, you will be led to a summary of your input. Take your time to review the summary for accuracy. If everything looks correct, you can proceed to the next step. You may be required to make a payment for the legal services associated with drafting the agreement. Secure payment options will be available for you to complete this step. After processing your payment, LegalMatch will connect you with a qualified attorney. The attorney will review your information and provide guidance throughout the process. Once the attorney drafts the prenuptial agreement, you will receive it for review. Read through the document carefully and consult with your partner to ensure mutual understanding. Make any necessary revisions with your attorney until both parties are satisfied. Finally, both you and your partner will need to sign the agreement in the presence of a notary public. With these steps completed, your prenuptial agreement will be formalized and legally binding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.